Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This one is a flower inspired makeup tutorial. It is inspired by sunflowers. Am I the only one who thinks sunflowers are absolutely beautiful? Anyways, if you want to see how I got the look, then let's get into this. I'm gonna start off with skin as always. I'm going in with the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. I'm just gonna put that all over the skin. I'm still testing this product out. I've had it for a while, but of course I don't wear makeup every day. And my skincare is pretty simple for everyday use. I only really use this when I'm applying makeup. I like the effect it gives, and my skin just drinks this stuff up. I probably should use it more outside of makeup, but anyways, going in with the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for eyes. That's a very long name for a freaking product. It's basically eye cream, bro. I like this product because it really hydrates the under eye, which helps with concealer application. So never too old or too young for this. Get you a good eye cream. It's better to slow the aging process than to speed it up. Alright, going in with the oldie but goodie. This is the NYX Honey Do Me Up Skin Serum / Primer. I typically just use it as a serum. I love the benefits of this product. I've been using it for a long time, and this little bottle has lasted me years. I'm not sure if it's expired or not, but it's $15. I'm gonna get my money out of this, okay? And if it looks like my brows are done already, that's because I tinted them. If you guys want an updated brow routine, let me know. Thumbs up the video, leave a comment in the description box. Leave a comment in the comment section, because I tint my brows at home now, which makes doing brows so much more easier. But let's get into this face. I went in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. I actually like this primer. I actually like the foundation. I actually like how my foundation looked in this video. I was playing back the footage and I was like, ooh, this was a good foundation day, man. Going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in Deep Sable. Looking a little yellow, but that's okay. It oxidizes. It works out perfectly. The center of my face is lighter than the perimeter of my face. I hate that we have to keep saying this as beauty gurus. My face is multi-dimensional. I pretty much just match the center of my face and go for it from there. That's why we got contour and bronzer to fix that all up, you know? Ain't nobody got time to be buying 18 shades of one foundation. Now going in with my eyes. We're going to start off with the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer in the shade Original. You guys already know the drill. This part of my makeup tutorials will never change. You will never see me use any other eyeshadow primer. First of all, this is only $1, and second of all, it's amazing. Okay? I'm saying, it's good. And it's only $1. I stock up on these. You never know. When a product is good, they always discontinue them, and I'll be like, come on, man. Alright, going in with the ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm using the color Burnt Orange, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. And we're just going to blend that all in the crease, all in the crease. You want that transition shade so that your other colors that you're going to put on your eyes blend out well. Going in with the Boxy Charm Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette. This came out in last month's Boxy Luxe box, in March's Boxy Luxe box. I was real skeptical about the palette. I was like, this is one ugly eyeshadow palette. But then I used it, and the formula of these shadows are actually pretty good. So I mean, the color scheme is ugly, but the formula of the shades is good. I mean, they blended out well. They were highly pigmented. I have no complaints with the formulation. Just whoever created the palette and put the color scheme together, don't do it again. And I believe I'm taking the color Cup of Joe. I'm not sure if I said that. And I put that also in the crease with a more tapered crease brush. Now I'm going back into that palette and I'm taking the color Unboxing, which is like a reddish brick color. And I'm going to mix it a little bit with Cup of Joe. I didn't want it too red. We're going to take that with an even more tapered crease brush. And we're going to apply that in the outer V. And then gently kind of like buff it into the crease itself, giving a nice transition. So we want the outer edges of the eye to be a little bit more deep and then fade inward towards the tear duct. Now going back into the ABH, this is the Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking, was this the Soft Glam palette? I think it was. I'm taking Burnt Umber, not Burnt Umber, Lord. Y'all saw the colors flash across the screen. I don't got my memory, Lord. We taking those two colors that flashed across the screen and we put them in the crease to deepen up the outer V. Now going back in with that Boxy Luxe palette, and I'm taking the color Luxe, which is this really gorgeous, vibrant, metallic yellow shade. And I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. And I did wet my brush when I did this part, so the color really like came through. It wasn't as metallic as I was hoping, but it was still really, really pretty. I was not mad at it at all. And as you can see, I'm taking that a little bit higher than normal. I have a lot of lid space, so I can afford to take this higher than most people can. And I have like all these triple, quadruple folds in my eyes. So I like to take it above the very top fold, if that makes sense. Like, just look at my, you see all those folds? I take it above the very top fold. Also bringing that down in the inner tear duct and the lower lash line. Going back in with Cup of Joe. And we're just going to repeat the steps that we did on the top lid to the bottom lash line. Taking Cup of Joe. We're going to take those other two colors from, I think it was a Soft Glam palette. Y'all, let's see. We'll see what color comes up next. Yes, it was the Soft Glam palette. Because I remember that eyeshadow that's broken, that was broke and it fell out. Yeah, it was missing the eyeshadow. It's the Soft Glam palette. If y'all have it, y'all know what the Soft Glam palette look like. For some reason, Modern Renaissance in my head. I'm like, those colors aren't in Modern Renaissance. Anyways, I'm rambling. We're going in with the color Exclusive now from the Boxy Charm Hello Charmer palette. And we're going to take that on the very outskirts of where we place the gold. So in between the gold and the matte brown colors, we're going to place that color just to have a really nice transition from that yellowy gold to the brown. Now we're going to tight line with the vintage eyeliner. This is just in the color black. And it's a really good eyeliner, bro. It's so good. It's so creamy and it goes on so good and so vibrant and so black. I love it. I believe I got this in a Boxy Charm box too. I'm subscribed to all three. Y'all should get on that. Get on that, because they be having some good stuff. Taking the Hank and Henry liquid eyeliner. This has easily replaced my NYC liquid liner. Y'all know that liner got discontinued. Why? I don't know. They were evil when they did it, because that was hands down the best liquid liner of freaking life. It was black, it was matte, and it just went on easy. But this has easily replaced it. I got this also in a Boxy Charm box. Pretty much a lot of this stuff came out of a Boxy Charm box. Off camera, I'm going to apply my lashes and my mascara, and then we're going to move over to the face. My favorite part of everybody's makeup tutorial. We're going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in Warm Caramel. And I'm just going to highlight the parts that you see on the video right now. underneath the eyes, the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the forehead, cupid's bow, chin, you know, those usuals, the usuals. And I can't lie, y'all, I haven't used this foundation and concealer combo in a really long time. I think I only used it once, and that was right when the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop came out. Bro, this is some good foundation and concealer and primer. Like, look at my skin. And I ain't got no softening filters. This is real 1080p right here. Going in with the CoverGirl loose powder in the color 115 translucent medium. And I'm going to set underneath my eyes. I'm using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is by Real Techniques. It's my favorite beauty sponges because I refuse to spend $20 on one freaking sponge when this one does an amazing job. And it's affordable. Brushing away the excess powder. I'm going to now set the rest of my face using my MAC Studio Fix Press Powder in the color NW45. My Holy Grail powder. It works with every foundation. It's good by itself. It's good on top of foundation. It's just literally my Holy Grail powder. I love this stuff. Going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. I'm using this as a bronzer. That is a long name for a product, man. These companies got to realize a lot of people be doing tutorials and stuff, and we ain't got time to be saying that long behind name. Jeez, just keep it short and sweet. Going in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. This is a heavy NYX video. Sorry. I'm the type of girl that I like to use the family of products. I don't like to just use a product from this for a primer and a different product for the foundation, a different product for the concealer. I like to use the whole family. So if that product makes a whole family, then I use the whole family. Anyways, I'm contouring my cheeks, you know, just a little bit, just give me a little, not that I need it, but I like to enhance my already very high cheekbones. Bring the color back in my face, especially when I'm using a foundation that is flat. I'm going to set everything with the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Aqua Mist Spray. I love that spray. I also got that out of a BoxyCharm box. See, when you subscribe to BoxyCharm, who needs to go buy foundations? Well, not foundations, or makeup. Like, I get a lot of good quality high-end makeup that I would never went and bought on my own. Just from BoxyCharm. And I'm subscribed to all three. I have Boxy Luxe, I have Boxy Premium, and the Boxy Base. This is not a BoxyCharm sponsored video, by the way, but I'm saying if BoxyCharm is watching, I don't mind if you want to sponsor your girl. I like the highlighter out of that Zoeva palette. It's a very soft highlight. So if you're not into a very beaming highlight, this highlight is like perfect because it gives you the highlight but soft. I'm the NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Exotic, and I'm going to, you know, put that on the lips. I did line my lips. I forgot to press record when I did it. I used the Jordana Easy Liner Lip Liner in the color Tierra Kiss. Or is it Tierra Kisses? I used that color. And this is the completed look. I so forgot to film an outro, which is why I'm in a different outfit. And my face is a little oily. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.